Many experts say AI can't replace human empathy, but I found an AI method that eased my anxiety instantly. Curious yet? You're probably thinking, AI for anxiety. No way. I get it. We've all been there, the racing thoughts, the knot in your stomach, that feeling of being overwhelmed. But what if I told you a simple AI tool offers immediate relief when you feel like you're spiraling? The old advice. Journaling, meditation, deep breathing. All good, but time consuming when you're in crisis. Here's the secret: a personalized AI chatbot that provides immediate, tailored support. It's all about the right prompts. Instead of generic advice, you get a supportive, step-by-step guide to calm your thoughts. I've used it, and it works. Try this right now. Use the chatbot and type "I feel anxious, guide me through it." It'll immediately give you personalized suggestions. This is just the starting point. You can build an entire coping mechanism with AI support. But this one tip is gold. This method provides immediate relief. It also gives you a clear understanding of how AI can help manage your anxiety. If you're ready to go beyond surface level solutions, consider subscribing. I'll share more AI techniques and strategies to help you navigate anxiety and build resilience. Subscribe now to join a community focused on empowering you to master anxiety and build a thriving life.